My name is Ashish Algeri. I come from Bombay. I have done my mechanical engineering from Karnataka and I have pursued my MBA from France at Kannam University. Education system was pretty much an open book system wherein we have to read the book and we have the access to the resources like internet and the books during the examination, and then we have to write it down practically by thinking like what exactly is like you have to correlate a question to that answer and thinking its practical application. But whereas in India or the Anglo-Saxon universities, it's pretty much a closed book where you have to just mug up and transmit out whatever you know.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Behel. I am at present in Paris. I am studying at Bordeaux École de Management, École Supérieure du Commerce à Bordeaux, and I'm pursuing a master's in international business. Our bosses and everyone, they are very supportive, they help us a lot. So frankly speaking, once you leave the job, it's like you're well prepared, you're well prepared and qualified to move further in your professional career. Yes, I'm very happy. I'm very satisfied with my choice, and I love it. I'm learning a lot and it's a great experience. Besides learning and doing an internship, gaining professional knowledge, practical and theoretical, I would also say that France is very beautiful, and you're going to just enjoy your time, and the studies are great, and a mix of all nationalities coming and studying. You learn a lot from different nationalities. So yes, it's a very good experience, and I'm very happy being here.
Hi, my name is Narinder Singh, and I'm from Chandigarh. I did my MSc from Paris, from school named ESCA, and that was a specialization of marketing and retailing of fashion products.
France, my aim was to learn about France, was to learn French culture, and not just French culture, it was also about Francophonie, to learn about Western Africa, to learn about French-speaking countries inside Europe like Belgium, Switzerland. I also learned quite a lot about Quebec. I think the biggest difference, for me at least, was les cours magistraux in a big amphitheatre with 200 students sitting. It's very beautiful, it's very aesthetic to look, especially if you have an amphitheatre which dates from the 16th or the 17th century, and it's amazing to see 200 students listening all at the same time to one professor who's explaining things in a fantastic way. To me, it has opened up my life. Now I know what it is to work in a radio. It's not just being there and looking at people, how they work, and I was asked to work as any other journalist. There was no difference. Nobody made a difference between a journalist who had been working for 30 years at RFI and between me, who was just a simple intern. So I was asked to carry out the same amount of job with the same amount of responsibilities as any of my colleagues who had been working there for 20 or 30 years. France has been a real gateway for me to the world. I have known more about the world in France than I could learn in India, especially with my kind of course.
I'm Lavish Senani. I come from Udaipur. I'm studying in ESSEC Business School in Paris. This course is Master Strategy in Management of National Business. It is ranked among the top 10 European master's course according to Financial Times. I was very anxious coming out of Udaipur and going to France, Paris. It's a big town. And different people, you see them in magazines, and now you're going to the same places you saw in magazines. And I was quite excited and worried also to how to sustain with them, if you can cope up with their life or not, if you can prove your value and gain some growth and learn from them or not. But then coming here, slowly you get to the flow, you realize that okay, there are always some it's not that fast and it's not that hard. There are always people helping you to cope up.
I am Harbeen Arora. I did my MPhil and my PhD in theatre at the Sorbonne Nouvelle in France. I think it's important to begin with a love for the language, and if you have a basic respect and love and a desire to learn the language, you'll get through it. When I went there, I didn't speak even a word, but just 3 months in France and I was quite there. My dream was to be able to speak French as fluent as a 3-year-old French boy, and I think I've arrived to that extent at least, and it's rêve réalisé. Hein? For me, it was not really going to the university that changed everything for me, the university in France, but it was being in France itself that gave me my education and my learning, which is relevant today. So I think it's the experience of Paris especially. It's like a rite of passage that you must go through because it makes you learn so much. It's a very special place to be in. At least in my area, which is theatre and the arts, I think there couldn't have been a better place for me to go to except Paris in France, you know. I really got to see the best of works in theatre, got to meet a lot of good people in the field, and for me it was really the place to have gone.
Hello, I'm Anustup Roy and I come from Assam. At present I'm studying journalism master's second year at the French Press Institute, which is located at the University of Paris, Assas, in the heart of Paris.
Hi, my name is Rajan. I went to France for the first time in '99. I was in Bretagne, and learning French was par hasard, as we say in French, by chance. I was reading a French poet by the name of Arthur Rimbaud. I used to read his French poems translated in English. I fell in love with them, so I just took this decision par hasard, again I would say, to learn French. And it has taken me to France many times as a student, as a business traveler, as a traveler. I got so attached to the place that I used to call it my second country, mon deuxième pays, and my friends had named me Rajan Le Breton. Second time, it was in 2002 for a diplôme d'études approfondies en relations internationales. I learned political science, I learned French theory, and it's, again, I would stress that it's an experience that you should not miss at any cost.
Hi, I'm Manoranjan. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm doing my PhD in University of La Rochelle. I'm working on artificial intelligence. It is mainly the university proposes the subject, and I applied nearly more than some 5 or 6 universities. I got invitation from Artois and Lyon and in La Rochelle. And the subject of University of La Rochelle, it was interesting, and so I selected that. Technically, it's very well advanced. It's very well advanced, and so there's Airbus is there. It's Airbus. The Concorde is designed by the French, and the Queen Mary. Queen Mary is the shipping is also they're very well advanced.
I'm Pranav Doshi. I come from Bombay. I've studied in the Université Paris 4, where I've done a master's in international business and languages. France have been useful to a very great extent because it has placed me in a area which is a very niche area, in the sense I work with French companies, I work with European companies, and I serve as a perfect link between the two.
Hi, I'm Saroj Joshi. I'm from Bombay and I'm a student at Alliance Française de Bombay for the past 5-6 years. I went to France last year in the month of May and June. It was a very wonderful experience because we stayed with the French families and we got to know the true culture of the French people. We tasted French food, had the wine, and I pursued a course in the language which was very helpful to improve my linguistic skills, since I foresee myself working as a translator.
My name is Manisha Gera Baswani. I went to Paris in the year 1991 for a scholarship in painting. As an artist, I don't think I could have been sent to a better country than to go to the land of the arts. It was the most beautiful outward and inward journey for me. Outward because Paris is the place for an artist or a creative individual to really soak in, and there is so much to soak in that it never ends. And inward because I was with myself for the first time away from India, and for the first time seeing my country in another beautiful country.
My name is Manu Rival. I'm from Delhi. I'm a filmmaker and I studied in Paris film. I think the best thing about studying in Paris is that it's the best city in the world for film, because you can see films from all over the world and from various periods in the history of cinema.
Hi, I'm Rahul Vora. I'm basically an actor and a director. I was born in Rajasthan, but up to my MA, I did all my studies in India, and after that I went to do a state doctorate in international cultural management in Paris. I did my initial studies. I did my graduation in economics and in French. I did 2 graduations, and I also did my MA Masters in French from India, although I could have done it in France. And then I went to do this particular sort of higher course, which was, of course, with a fellowship that the French government awarded me through a competition that we had to sort of go through. I spent a year learning about how the French manage their culture in terms of theatres, in terms of books, in terms of television, in terms of cinema. Of course, it was my field, and in terms of performing arts and everything. For us, it's very easy to learn a language like French, because despite again what people might say about it, it's a very easy language to learn. It's got very set rules, and if you speak any of the Sanskritized languages, anything based on Sanskrit, then the French becomes very easy. India and France have had a huge cooperation in terms of space research, in terms of communication. I mean, the fields are many right now, many. So if you want to go to France, if you want to go to study abroad, I think France is a very good bet because we have great conditions.
Hi, this is Chef Devinder Kumar from New Delhi, working as Vice President F&B Production at Le Méridien Hotel, New Delhi, in charge of all kitchen operations. I had the privilege of visiting France to do my specialization in French cuisine. What a great experience.
Hello, I'm Dr. Gajanan Prabhugaonkar, currently professor at IIT Bombay. I was a student in France. I came here 35 years back to study at École des Mines of Paris and finished with a Doctor of Science degree at University of Paris.
My name is Anjali Ila Menon, and I was one of the lucky people, maybe 45, 50 years, nearly 50 years ago, to be able to go to France to study painting. Which is the best thing about the spirit of France is the fact that you have tradition and modernity very well blended, living side by side and existing side by side in France. The French tend to be are very innovative, and they are constantly doing new things, inventing great things, particularly culturally and visually. They're very, very inventive.